What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video, and today's actually going to be a very entertaining video. So the weather's about 13 degrees Celsius and we're starting to get to the warmer weather, and I think it's time to put the summer wheels on the car. So I was thinking about it, like how can I make an entertaining video, maybe teach someone how to do it, and kind of just sit around and let them do it all at once. So we're going to get Alexandra in the video, and she's going to be the one learning how to change a tire, because maybe one day Chris Lopes is not around and she gets a flat tire and she'll have an idea of how basically to do it. Obviously I have the gun here and all that, and she won't be doing it that way. I'm not going to kill it too much and using one of those manual jags and doing everything by hand. We're going to have the gun to take off the lug nuts. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to be in the focus.
No, don't stand on there. That's oil.
Oh, shit.
This is gonna be interesting. See what I mean? I'm not even joking. This is all real life. So let's get into the video. Alexandra, are you excited to learn something new? Are you?
I have to do it.
Yeah. She says she's an independent woman.
I am independent.
And this is how we're gonna do it. So enough with this long intro. I'm gonna get her to. I'm just really hoping she can pick up a wheel, and that's my biggest concern, to see if she can even pick one up.
I feel like I just look like a head.
Let's get into the video. This should be very, very entertaining. So we're gonna grab the wheels, and then I'm going to basically clean in the barrels and stuff since I have them off, and we'll get into it like that. But yeah, let's see if Alexandra can pick one up. So Alexandra is going to...
Wait, what am I doing again?
So you're going to pick up this wheel, because this is one of the wheels that we have to put on. You're gonna pick up this wheel and just put it on this right here.
Yeah.
If you need help, I will help you. Let's see if you can pick it up. Don't damage, don't get hurt. Yeah, no, yeah. You need help picking up. You don't even know how to pick it up. Do you need help?
No, I got this.
Don't hurt yourself. Be careful, the EP3.
I don't care. Okay.
Okay, just put it down on the... Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my god, what did I break? Did I ruin my tights? No, we're good. Okay, we're good.
You almost broke my wheel. So, is that a lot heavier than your SUV tire?
I was just
yeah.
Putting on a show.
You good, right?
Do another one.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean each wheel up individually. I have pretty much everything set up here for Alexandra. As you see her garbage, you know, garage again full. I have everything set up for her here. And let's just get a little clean. I'm gonna try cleaning the inside barrels as well, and we'll do that. So Alexandra, we've cleaned inside of the barrel. What do you think is next? We are ready.
We gotta get this baby.
Okay, and do you understand where it goes?
Yeah, this.
But no. There's certain points underneath. You understand where?
Yeah. I've pretend to watch you and Alex once in a while.
Okay, so let's see. We're gonna go together, so you make sure you don't mess up my my rocker panels. So where do you think this would have to go here?
This one has to go.
You gotta make sure this thing's dropped first, completely. Or else it won't fit underneath the car. Well, where do you think it goes? Go slow, because you're lifting it again, as you see.
Oh shit, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, so we can put it here, and what you're gonna look for when you get underneath the car is you're gonna look for a metal point, and you're gonna wanna put it on that metal. So you gotta get under, yep.
Oh my god.
And then you're gonna see a metal lip underneath the car.
If this thing could be any lower, maybe I can see it.
So if you feel it,
I think I have it.
you feel this lip right here?
Oh no, I'm feeling something else.
So right here, you feel this lip? That right here?
Yeah. No, that was your hand.
You feel that how there's a lip there?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna put that on that. And you're gonna center it with this.
I feel like this is gonna be expensive.
Okay, now make sure it's centered. So we're gonna center the pad of it, and now we're gonna lift it. So now lift.
Oh, do I do that now?
Yeah, now you can lift.
Oh my gosh, this is so scary.
Go for it.
Do I go all the way down?
You don't have to, but you can.
Okay. I don't want to if I don't have to.
Now just keep, there you go. The struggle's real, eh?
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Oh God. You can't be doing that like that.
What? I'm getting my workout in, Chris.
This one's squatting.
Can't make it to the gym.
Jesus
Like
Christ.
I even go to the gym. Who am I kidding?
You are something else.
What? It's working.
So you basically have to raise it enough so that we can put one of those jacks. You don't have to go that far down like that, man. If you guys like seeing Alexandra struggle work on cars, let us know down below.
Oh wait, Chris, I think I'm making it go down.
Okay.
I got it.
There you go. Just gotta tighten it.
I got it.
Okay, so we're getting close to where we can put the jack underneath, right? Maybe a little more. So now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna find a point right here. Come down. Come on down. Price is right. So you feel this point right here? You feel that? That's where you want to center this. Okay? So you're gonna put this underneath.
Hang on, can I just take a breather for 5 seconds? Holy shit.
It's not easy, is it? Okay, and then what we're gonna try doing to make sure it's centered, you gotta look at it. You can't just guess. You gotta lift it, and then it locks in place. Right?
Yeah.
Does it look like it's centered?
Are you getting me or are you getting my
Getting your
legs?
knee. See, I'm trying to do both. It's a little difficult. So make sure it's centered. You're not looking at it. You gotta go. No, don't feel it. Look.
Oh, I gotta go under?
Yeah, you gotta look. This is important.
Hello, Becky.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do this just in case. So come here, and we're gonna release this slowly. And then what I like doing is, because now look, we can get both tires, and we leave this snugged up against, and then we can do the front and the back. And then we're gonna double check the jack is good. The jack looks good. We're right at the midpoint that we need to be. Good job, we got her up.
Are you gonna high five? Thanks.
There you go.
Come on, encouragement.
Let's all right, so what's next?
I gotta
Exactly. So these are special lug nuts that have a lock nut on it. So you see that lock nut over there?
Oh, I have to get it.
Yeah, this is all you. So you're gonna pick up this, you're gonna get that, you're gonna plug the bad boy in.
Is it gonna turn on if I plug
No, it's like a gun, you gotta press it. So you're gonna put the adapter onto one of the lug nuts.
Which one do you suggest?
Doesn't matter.
Sensei.
We're taking them off.
Like that.
Is it all the way in?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna get the gun.
I think so. Oh my god.
And then there's two, no, just don't start turning it.
I'm not, no.
So if you touch the top of the button, it reverses. Touch the top. You see how it looks like there's two buttons?
Oh, yes.
So the top one is reverse. Go,
Yes.
hit it. No, hit it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is
So now make sure it's in properly. Now press it, now hit that top one.
I'm scared.
Come on.
There's powder on here.
It's dust. It's probably brake dust.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
now we're gonna keep moving. Now take the adapter off.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, you got it off pretty
Oh,
much.
shit.
Now you can use it by
Okay,
hand.
hang on, one by one, because that's heavy. Whew.
There you go.
Oh, it's out.
Yeah, now we're gonna do the other
Place them nicely, because, you know, your boy Lopes likes to lose things.
one. Alright. I hope you guys are enjoying this.
So today, your girl Lopes is changing a tire.
There you go.
Look, so what you do, folks, is you
Make
put
sure you
this
press-
adapter into the lug nut. Then you get this bad boy, Majiggy. The master Majiggy. And then you press the R. And you stay away because powder is going to come flying in your
sure it's-
face.
And there we go. And keep on going. I swear you just press it and you hope for the best. My wife laughs like a guinea pig, if none of you guys knew that. I married a guinea pig.
I can't.
Search up guinea pig and how they sound on
Oh my
YouTube.
god, you're so mean.
You'll see. Alright. First one. Okay, so what you can do, you can punch the top of where the tire is, like, see where it says
Oh,
winter?
I don't want to hurt her.
Just do it. No, like towards the car, like forward. We're not playing drums, bro. Okay, kick the bottom. Don't kick the bottom of the tire. Not crazy hard. Okay.
Honestly?
Is this where you need my help?
No. I can do this.
Start hitting around all the... You got all the lug nuts out. Right? Now hit... You're not doing anything.
Okay, Becky, let's go. Come on.
Sometimes, it's not your fault.
Oh.
Sometimes these get stuck on here.
Master? I didn't even get to take that off.
What would you say, Master? One karate kick,
I
bam!
didn't even get to take it out.
Okay, now we're gonna put these, let's just put these over here because our garage is insane. This is the most entertaining wheel tire change on YouTube.
You're welcome.
We're not laughing with you, we're laughing at you.
Okay, bye.
What are you doing?
You were there.
She is crazy. So this is where it might be a little tough, and I'll try letting you do it. If not, I'll do it, because sometimes even grown men struggle. Yeah, flip it. So my technique is I like sitting in front, get it as close as you can to it. Then you got to line up the holes and lift it up and put it in. But you have, it's almost better you sit down.
Yeah, no, I know that.
So this is the tough part sometimes. If she gets this, I'll be thoroughly impressed. I'm really excited actually to get these wheels on too. And it's entertaining watching my wife do it for me. She can do it. I believe in her. Ho ho! You can do it! The wheel is a little heavy.
Yeah, like I can't lift it like this.
The wheel is a little heavy, so I may help her out with this.
I kinda have to go like this.
No, see you're... No.
Am I gonna break it?
You should take it off. Come on, let me do this part, okay? You think you can do it or no?
I think I could do it.
Okay, we'll give you 2 more shots. So you gotta remember, the holes gotta line up with the studs, right?
Yeah, but I gotta lift it.
Yeah, you have to. It's off the ground. You have to lift it. Dun, 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 dun. No, lower, 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 lower. Okay, I'll do it. Even then, it takes a little bit sometimes. And even me doing it still takes a bit of work, so don't you stress. You got the rest of it. Let's go. Switch. We're gonna put the lug nuts on, and now, for me specifically, I like putting them on a certain way, right?
Oh, okay.
I like going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost like a star pattern. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Okay.
Okay, go for it. Is due, but I've done it this way for a very long time, and it's been absolutely fine. And I will do the top one, the one that you still haven't done. Okay, so what I like to do now is we're gonna go back and just take it out. We're gonna go back in the same star pattern, and we're just gonna do one more quick one, just in case anything got a bit loose when we're doing that.
Quick.
It is so refreshing to see the works back on the car. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks so good. So what we're gonna do now, I'm not gonna tell her anything. We're gonna leave this recording, and I'm gonna just place it right here, and we're gonna see how she does. What happened?
So,
that? Oh, no. She nicked my rib. Look.
So what had happened was...
Well, on a real note, they need to get a new powder coating anyway, so I ain't that upset. But if they're freshly powder coated...
I know, divorce.
All right, so you did half the car already. So we're almost done this side. We're not going to record the other side just because, you know, it's going to get a little boring. But what do we have to do now?
Now I got to take this thing out.
No, that's not going to come out yet because we dropped it a little bit, right?
Oh, I have to push it up.
Push it up a bit.
Oh.
There you go. Now remove it. You got this. Very gently just turn it.
Wait, this way?
Yeah, loosen it. Just slow. Jesus Christ. What I told you slow, what happened?
I was going slow.
No, well, whatever. You're getting used to it. It's fine, not a biggie. On a side note, these wheels look so much better than those Civic wheels. Damn. What do you think, darling? Make sure it's dropped all the way before you pull it out.
I'm not pulling it out yet.
Yeah, you can pull it out.
Like, do they look okay? Like, did I screw this one in okay?
Yeah, they're all good. Don't worry.
How do you know?
I just know. I've never really gave instructions on how to do this, so
No, you didn't.
I'm like a work in progress as a teacher as well. So now just drag it out. All right, and you just switched your first set of wheels.
Woo!
There you go. Now we just have a whole other side to do. There we go. Alexandra learned how to put tires on. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. And it's gonna be a lot quicker too, so we're gonna do that. Any thoughts?
Go so close up into my face.
What's your thoughts, bruh?
I'm gonna be sore tomorrow morning. I'll tell you that. Okay.
Are you kind of happy you know how to kind of do this now?
I could do it. I could do it.
So just in case you ever had to do it on your own, you can do it yourself, right?
Well, luckily I got you on YouTube. I can whip it out on my phone and
watch yourself do it now.
you
See,
go.
there you go. So if you guys enjoy that, let me know down below. We can get her doing more simpler mods and maybe advancing to more complicated ones in the future. But yeah, it's kind of fun having a sidekick doing this with me. I'm not gonna lie.
It's the other Alex.
Some of you get that, not everyone. Alex and Alexandra. You guys kind of get it, two Alexes. But yeah, remember, if you guys want to get some stickers, down below is my Instagram. Click my Instagram, DM me, and you guys can purchase stickers, $5 each, shipped to wherever you guys are. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.
Do it once, do it right. Bye.